I'm going to go down to the routines here, and you'll notice that, once we go into the routines, we're going to see things such as tasks associated with it, journal prompts, just like I mentioned. And of course, these are keeping the color scheme that we're using throughout the site to help you kind of remember what all of those specific areas refer to. So a routine, here's an example of a pre-stream routine that we have set up. So this pre-stream routine, let's go ahead and start a new one just to show you how that works. So every time I start this routine, it's going to be blank, right? So you can think of a routine as kind of like a to-do list, but it repeats. So I would ideally go through this routine every time I'm getting ready to stream. And so I would just remind myself, hydrate and eat. Yeah, no problem. Exercise and stretch. Yep, sure thing. Check hardware such as microphone and camera. I mean, we've all done that where we forgot to turn on our mic or we've been muted, that kind of thing. And so this is just a reminder to do all that stuff. Start OBS, check my overlays, check my bots are running. So the idea is that we go through this. And so the first few times you go through this routine, it might take you a little bit, but as you get better at this and you've practiced it more times and you've gone through it more times, just your efficiency is going to improve and you're not going to forget some of those crucial steps, such as updating your channel point redemptions. Maybe you had them set up for a special event last week and forgot to change them back. This is going to remind you to do that. And then also, as you go through your pre-stream routine, you might find that you are missing something in here. So you can go in and edit this pre-stream routine and add another step in here for tasks that you don't want to forget. Next to the kind of repeatable checklist here, we have journal prompts. So here's like an example of, do you feel like you have a plan for this stream? So the idea is that, what is my plan for my stream today? And then this will give you a chance to kind of really quickly write that up if you'd like. How are you feeling right now before the stream starts? So this also comes with a star rating. So here's an example of, we think it is important to reflect upon your streams and kind of like think a little bit before you hit that start streaming button. And so if there's anything you want to remind yourself of, how you're feeling, all that kind of stuff, it gives you a chance to kind of jot that down. And then, kind of as the corollary here, we have the post-stream routine, which might ask you a similar question. See how it went afterward. So once we complete a routine, then now that routine has been completed. So now it's been completed 2 times. So if I was to click back on here, you'll note that the checklist is blank again and the journal prompts are blank again. But if I was to fill this out and then let's say I needed to leave and, go pick something up, go run an errand, I can hit save progress. And then the next time I come back to this routine, it's going to pre-populate it with whatever checkboxes I had done last time. So you can kind of continue where you're left off. Again, we have routine templates here. You can see Hannah's set up a number. I've set up a few myself, and the StreamRoutine account has some as well that you can use to kind of get your own routine going